Hello, Cincy Lions. It's Miss Steinhoff here, and I am in my dining room of my house, but this is where my piano is. And so I wanted to play a song for you that we like to sing in music class. And since we can't be in room 201 together, I figured I would bring the song to you from my music room in my house. So this is Mail Myself to You, and I chose this song as one of our first ones for me to share with you while we're away from each other, because if I could mail myself to you right now to give you all big hugs and sing with you, I absolutely would. So instead, I'm gonna sing this for you and then you can sing with me. But remember, there's some moves in this song that help us to remember how the words go. So the first thing we need to do when we're moving to the song is wrap yourself in paper. So get that paper wrapped all around yourself. And then you need to dab yourself with some glue, stick those stamps on top of your head. I'm gonna mail myself to you, but that's not all. I'm gonna tie me up in a red string, and I'm gonna tie blue ribbons too. I'm gonna climb up in my mailbox. I'm gonna mail myself to you. So I'm gonna do those again before I sing the song. So remember, first we wrap ourselves in paper, then dab yourselves with some glue, stick some stamps on top of your head. I'm gonna mail myself to you. I'm gonna tie me up in a red string. I'm gonna tie blue ribbons too. I'm gonna climb up in my mailbox. I'm gonna mail myself to you. So now if I sing the song, then it sounds like this with all those moves. I'm gonna wrap myself in paper. I'm gonna dab myself with glue. Stick some stamps on top of my head. I'm gonna mail myself to you. I'm gonna tie me up in a red string. I'm gonna tie blue ribbons too. I'm gonna climb up in my mailbox. I'm gonna mail myself to you. Can you try that with me? I'm gonna wrap myself in paper. I'm gonna dab myself with glue. Stick some stamps on top of my head. I'm gonna mail myself to you. I'm gonna tie me up in a red string. I'm gonna tie blue ribbons too. I'm gonna climb up in my mailbox. I'm gonna mail myself to you. So that's going to happen in our song 2 different times. I have a pattern in the song. I will call the first part A, because that's the first letter in the alphabet. So I have my A part. That's where we're gonna sing those words, and we're gonna do those moves that we just learned. And then there's a B part. That's where there's gonna be some different silly words about all the things I'm going to do once I get out of that package. And then I'm gonna finish my song with A again, which is the part where we have all the moves that we just did. A, B, A. So we have a little bit of a pattern, okay? Here is my song. I'm gonna wrap myself in paper. I'm gonna dab myself with glue. Stick some stamps on top of my head. I'm gonna mail myself to you. I'm gonna tie me up with a red string. I'm gonna tie blue ribbons too. I'm gonna climb up in my mailbox. I'm gonna mail myself to you. So that was the first part, but here's some other things. When you see me in your mailbox, cut the strings and let me out. Wash the glue off my fingers, stick some bubble gum in my mouth. Take me out of my wrapping paper, wash the stamps off my head. Pour me full of ice cream sundaes, put me in my nice warm bed. Now, can you sing the beginning of the song with me again? That A part. I'm gonna wrap myself in paper. I'm gonna dab myself with glue. Stick some stamps on top of my head. I'm gonna mail myself to you. I'm gonna tie me up in a red string. I'm gonna tie blue ribbons too. I'm gonna climb up in my mailbox. I'm gonna mail myself to you. I hope you enjoy that song and feel free to sing it as much as you want, and maybe even think to yourself, who would you mail yourself to right now if you could?